You know what's ironic? That they already have a tall, statuesque athlete in the WWE right now, but they did nothing with her for the past year. Lash Legend. And they've done nothing with her. But I'm sure the WWE's chomping at the bit to get Jade Cargill in front of cameras as soon as possible. She could just be like coming soon over and over again for weeks. She could be a manager or a valet or something like that. They want to get this good looking, drool-tastic looking in front of cameras right away. So she don't gotta do much. She can do like the forearms, maybe like a little hip toss. Like don't gotta do much because yeah, she's a lot better looking than well, you know.